Bitcoin price is dropping back toward monthly lows, but analysts agree the current range is a buy zone. Bitcoin's downtrend extended a few rungs lower on December 3rd after the price dropped 54,000. Investors seem concerned. Here it is. I told you guys what this is. I mean, I hope you guys listen to me. Investors seem concerned at the emergence of the new variant and hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve. Meanwhile, veteran investment icon Charlie Munger compared the crypto market to the dot-com era that ended with the bubble popping. Now, that does have me a little concerned, to be honest with you, because those were the exact same things he was saying at the top of the last market, trying to look like a genius when he knew that thing was about to run up. They're about to end, or the short term. Charlie Munger looks like the Crypt Keeper. You remember the Crypt Keeper from Tales from the Crypt?
Yeah.
That's what Charlie Munger looks like.
Right. Regardless, I would say both Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett, neither are known for their...
I wouldn't mind it if both of them kicked the bucket here soon.
Well, I'm just saying neither one of them are known for being
not wishing
good
that on them, but wouldn't mind it.
Tech investors.
Yeah.
Like, they don't understand technology. I mean, they're great investors,
Never
obviously.
Never
But
these guys are to the point where they're doing damage and they're hurting people that listen to them.
Right.
So yeah, Charlie Munger is still alive. I can't believe it either. It's quite shocking. That was too harsh. I shouldn't have said that.
Yeah.
I don't really mean that. I just mean like their time is gone. Their time's past. It's time for newer people to rise up.
Mm-hmm.
And the fact that they keep picking their voices up and saying stuff against technology that they don't understand. They're constantly the old man yelling at Bitcoin, and it's ridiculous. They should stop. But of course, that's the thing about old people. They don't remember what you told them.
Well, what I was going to say is one person I think
has
done a really good job transitioning is Mr. Wonderful, who very
Yes.
quickly, he was anti-Bitcoin at first, took some time, learned about it, and now I saw a video over the weekend saying he'd actually rather be paid in crypto than to be paid in dollars at this point, which is quite the big switch.
Well, that's that's not actually true. Elio actually did a video a while back that uncovered that Kevin O'Leary was actually really bullish on Bitcoin early on.
Well,
and then backed away and started saying it was a scam app while he was loading up.
Yeah.
And then came back out on the other side.
Well, that's what all the rich people do. They FUD it while they accumulate. Now he's got his bags packed and he's very pro.
Yeah. But I don't think he's going to reverse course at this point. Maybe.
No. But my point is he would be in that traditional mindset of a lot of those investors, done very well for a long time, but seems to see where things are going. Still on the forward-thinking mindset.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonder what. So fear and greed index is 31 right now. What's today's date?
Today is the 6th.
Yeah, this is a very old article. It's from the December 3rd.
Yeah.
Because it says here, strong support at $52,000 to $53,000. How's Jeb doing? Is Jeb feeling better?
I don't know. I know he was sick. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
16.
Right.
Wow.
People are scared.
Pretty interesting.
Usually a good opportunity.
But there has been this big conversation about like people put up this meme of Carl's predictions or when he said like buy the dip. And a lot of times when he would say the buy the dip, it would go down a little bit further. But the thing is, it went back up, didn't it?
Right.
So if you were accumulating anytime he said to accumulate, it wouldn't have been the maximum best entry points, but you still would have done pretty well. But there comes a time when buying the dip is not a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
That's called the bear market.
Right.
So, usually the fear and greed index being so low is great, but it's also going to be at its lowest, as Bitcoin is crashing down, once we hit a bear market.
Yeah,
so.
That's what I was just about to say is it's usually a good opportunity to buy until it's not.
Yeah. Let's see. We wiped out the October gains, which wasn't fun. And, the latest crash wiped $1 trillion from the market. So that was fun.